Is that working now? Fuck. Fucked up the first one. Sorry, guys. So I'll just show you quickly the latest concoction of our latest shake. What we're doing here. Let me. Oh man, I'm running out of power, so I have to get this done quick. So we got our oatmeal here, which is 1/3 of a cup. Got our ice. Got our little bit of water. See that? I got our bananas. And this is the stuff that I added instead of jam. And works really good. So let's put this fucking thing together. The battery's gonna fucking die on me. Alright, so the first thing we need is a banana. Peel a banana from that end, not that end. It's a lot easier. Check it out. See that? Comes off real quick. Little tip for you is when you eat 5-6 bananas a day, you get pretty good at peeling bananas. Now ice. Oh yeah, ice is not coming apart on me here. I usually go a couple of handfuls. Alright. And I'll show you guys what I'm doing here. I can almost do this one-handed now. Some ice and the water, just a little bit of water to fill it up, just to give it some, yeah, about that much. And egg whites. I forgot the fucking egg whites. Let me get the egg whites here. Now I managed to track down some cash, so I've been able to bump up the egg whites to 1/3 of a cup, like this. Usually I fill it right at the top, and one little kiss for good luck. That's done. Now we'll get the oatmeal going. I'll show you guys how much I put. Cup. So I usually get, where are you there? Just throw that right in. And then I'll blend this up. Now usually what I'll do is I'll start, and just to break up the ice. Now you're gonna want to put it on real high. You're gonna want to leave it for pick up all that oatmeal, and then you just add. And that'll give you a really good strawberry banana flavor. How do you overcome the constipation problem with the bananas? Zero constipation, brother. None. Oatmeal's got all that fiber, bananas got the fiber. Zero constipation. First week I shit like a fucking racehorse, but now totally regular. Once your body is adjusted to it. And that's the final shake. So, cheers, you motherfuckers. Take care, guys.